Hi guys, I'm gonna show you today one simple trick to put door handles. You see this piece of wood, this is a jig for door handles. I made it, it take me 2 minutes to make it. So yeah, I just made it 50 mil wide because I need my door handles 50 mil wide from the side to side and top to bottom. So yeah, it's really easy. And it will save you measuring every single door to putting on the handle, and in the end if you measure them one by one, you're gonna make a mistake because you do 1 or 2 3 mil here and there. You can't make it on one size, so it's best to make a jig or have a jig to make it in one particular size, which is in this case is 50 mil. So when they're all done, the handles, they will look all the same from top to bottom, from side to side, they will look 100% same. So it's really easy. So you can see it. I made one hole first with the jig, and second one I just determined the width of the height of the handle, and then I made the second hole with the jig. And it's really easy to make it, really, to be honest. So it really helped me, and it really saved my time on this job. So I hope you like this jig and it will help you if you are doing your putting your handles or anything. It will work with any handles, it's not for these particular handles, it will work with any handles, yeah, whatever handle you putting. So you can use this as jig. You can obviously, you're gonna make this jig on your size. If you want more than 50 mil, obviously you're gonna cut the bigger wood more than 50 mil. So yeah, it's really easy to make this jig. And thanks for watching, guys, and please share my video, like my video, and subscribe my channel if you haven't already for more videos about